what to wear, but I'll try my best. Gusto ko start yung decision making of the day ko with blue jeans. I need a belt. Smell of freshness left and right. Yung weather, 38 degrees. Sobrang may free time. Officially, an uncle. I was thinking ko okay yung dry fit lang na white. Nice, neat, but something missing. Ay, wait. Meron din palang sachet itong Nivea Cool Kick. Instant cooling and extra dry. What if lagyan ko siya ng vest? Pero parang sobrang hapit dry fit niya. Or kung vest lang. Cute din naman. Pero parang gusto ko yung my shirt. Maybe a normal shirt. Hubad na ng hubad. Ayun. What do you think? I love it. Shoes. I wonder what other people would think about my outfit. But should I care? I'm comfortable. I'm happy. Okay, let's go. Ang init. Hello. Where's the baby?
Dami mo ng suot.
Ang init-init dito. Oh my God. Nanggal ko na yung shirt ko sa loob kasi ang init pero tuyo. I mean, di mo aamoy, hindi tayo close. Beautiful Shanghai. Before we end the day, thank you for joining me. And thank you, Nivea Cool Kick, for letting me stay cool and dry. Lumaki na yung tiyan ko kasi kumain na ako. Tatago na natin siya. See ya!